Hi, today is February 10th, Monday, and I'm at Aikahi Park Shopping Center. Yeah, so let's see. Stopping by and my late lunch or early dinner. Willow tree decided. That looks good. So, decided to come on over. Willow tree. Yeah, have my meal right here. Alright, so here we go, right outside Willow Tree, and here's the menu right here. And lunch combo 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Wow, $21.95. Lunch plate. Okay, and then noodles. Side orders, Willow Tree special, general dishes. Okay, so let's see, what am I having? Alright, so kalbi, there's bulgogi, barbecue chicken, shoyu chicken. Alright. Alright, so okay. So I guess I'm kind of like leaning into barbecue chicken, spicy, add $1. Huh, okay. Alright, barbecue chicken spicy. Alright, so that's $17.95 and then $1 more, so $18.95. Yeah, okay. Then just looking around outside, there's a seating area. They got inside and also outside. Alright, so let's go on in. Alright, here we go. I'm inside and Willow Tree. Okay, they got the menu right here. So let's see. Lunch plate. Alright, so barbecue chicken spicy. Yep, that's the one I'm gonna have here. And here's the rest of the menu. Yeah, then yeah. So I go ahead and have barbecue chicken spicy. Alright, let me put the order in and we'll enjoy. Alright, so yeah, barbecue chicken spicy. I placed an order and then kind of looking around the area.
Just one box? Really? Two.
Yeah.
Be okay with chopsticks, right?
Sure thing. Thank you. Alright. So alright, they brought me daikon soup and kimchi. Daikon soup is very nice. It's very smooth. Very good. Wow. Wow, the soup was very nice. Alright, my plate lunch came out and let's have a taste at it. chicken spicy. Mm-hmm. Yes. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mac on the side. Mm-hmm. That's good. Oh, the taste of the kimchi. Nice. Yeah, it's like, no, it's more like a local style. That tastes good. I guess, even though, yeah, it's spicy, it's more sweet taste. A lot of customers. This is off hours. Still got a lot of customers coming.
You can do two choices.
Well, that's one thing. Another thing, I see.
Potato is a good, nice
Ginger
taste.
and coffee.
Kind of barbecue. Yes.
Spicy pork. Can I have your name?
part of the chicken went down wrong. But still good. 알았어, 얘는 그리고 김치 here.
Okay. No yellow one.
So the potato is nice. Nice touch. Tastes good. Wow. And you see, the kimchi is really good. Alright. That's been a good meal. I said thank you for watching.